Hey everybody, so this will be the re-recorded video for data and frequency due to the issues with the audio. Let's get started. So with data we have two exact types of data, I'd say, quantitative and qualitative. And quantitative data can be separated into two subcategories of discrete and continuous. Quantitative data is just referring to data that's primarily revolving around numbers, for example, values and frequency of values or intervals of values. Discrete is the exact values. It will be shown in tables such as these, while continuous will be intervals of values such as these. Qualitative data, on the other hand, will give you a specific topic. For example, in this case, I wrote fruit, and the number of children who have these specific fruit as their favorite fruit. So there are 7 children who prefer cherries, 6 who prefer bananas, 8 who prefer apples. This is how you would describe qualitative data. It does contain numbers, but it is specifically has a subject that correlates to this data. Now we'll move on to specific frequencies and the different types of frequencies that we will encounter. We have values and frequency, relative frequency, as well as cumulative frequency. I'll go based off of grid question 4 and 5 in order to solve these, so you have a sort of exact idea. Now you see we have 4 values, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I just wrote them down in ascending order. Frequency is simply the number of times they occur in a data set. So 1 occurs 4 times, 2 occurs once, 3 occur twice, and 4 occurs once. Relative frequency, on the other hand, is frequency divided by the total amount of frequency. So the total amount of frequency in this case would be 8. So the relative frequency of 1 is 4 divided by 8, which is 1 over 2. 2 is 1 over 8. 3 is 2 over 8, simplified to 1 over 4. And 4 is 1 over 8. Cumulative frequency, on the other hand, is when you add the frequencies as you progress downwards. For example, in value 1, it will simply be 4. Value 2 is 4 plus 1, so 5. Value 3 is 4 plus 1 plus 2, which is 7. And value 4 is 4 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1, which will give you 8. These are the main ones you will be seeing. Now, there is a slight chance that you may come across cumulative relative frequency. It is very unlikely, but just in case it does come, cumulative relative frequency is simply the cumulative frequency divided by the total. So it's 4 divided by 8, 5 divided by 8, 7 divided by 8, and 8 divided by 8. That will be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a nice day.